Welcome to this Unreal Engine 5 course on creating game menus using blueprints. My name is Ali Reza, and throughout this course, I'll guide you step by step through the process of building a complete menu system that you can use in your own games. A well-designed menu system is one of the most important parts of a game. It is often the first thing players interact with, and it plays a major role in shaping their first impression of the experience. A clear, responsive, and user-friendly menu system can greatly improve the overall player experience. Learning how to build robust and scalable menus is therefore an important skill for any game developer. We'll start with the fundamentals of Unreal Engine's UMG system. In the first section, you'll learn the core concepts behind user interfaces, create basic widgets, work with layouts, buttons, text elements, and understand how UI systems are built inside Unreal Engine. After we cover the basics, we'll create a fully functional HUD for our game. Once we have a solid foundation, we'll move on to the main project of the course. In the second section, we'll build a complete and fully functional game menu system from scratch. We'll begin by creating a start page and a main menu, followed by a difficulty selection screen that can be integrated directly into your game's workflow. Next, we'll develop a comprehensive settings menu with dedicated pages for control, display, graphics, and audio settings. In the controls page, players will be able to invert camera access, adjust mouse sensitivity, and fully remap their key bindings. The display page will include options such as screen resolution, window mode, VSync, and gamma adjustments. In the graphics page, we'll implement quality settings and post-process controls, while the audio page will allow players to adjust master, music, and sound effect volumes. To complete the menu system, we'll also create an animated credits page that adds an extra layer of polish and professionalism to the final product. As a bonus, we'll go even further by adding splash screen movies and loading screens, giving your game the same level of presentation players expect from modern commercial titles. The goal of this course is not only to show you how to create these menus, but also to help you understand the logic behind them, so you can adapt and expand the system for your own projects. So let's jump right in and start building our menu system.